What's up everybody, it's Mr. DS18. Today we're going to talk about Jeep products. On the table I have the new Pro TW R3. This is a replacement bracket for the Jeep Wranglers, the Gladiators, and the JLs. It's easy to install. As you can see, we have one installed here on our TW4L. This is our RGB tweeter. This is if you're looking for that pro audio loudness. But we also have here the TW2.5, a sound quality tweeter. I'm going to show you guys how to install it. It's really easy. So you grab the ring, you slip in the cables, make sure it falls in its place. Then the tweeter comes with this locker. You scoot the cables underneath, make sure it's in place, and you screw them back. Make sure it's tight enough to where you're going to have it looking at wherever you want it to look. So if you're looking for sound quality, this is the place to go. If you want crispy, loud, obnoxious, the Pro Audio one. We actually have these two installed in our Gladiator demo vehicle. Follow me to the back and I'll show you guys how it looks like without the cover and with the cover on. I'm going to turn on the LED lights. And you can see through the grill. And that's how it's going to look in mounted. So how did you like those? Pretty cool, huh? Those are one of my favorite upgrades that we've done to the Gladiator. It's not because of the lights, it's because how cool it looks. Like you don't have to go this way, you can go this way. So if you're interested in more DS18 products, make sure you follow us. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm Mr. DS18. We like it loud.